Hey everybody, it's Friday night and it's my Friday night shower time. One more song left in me today, and it's all about rain since it's going to rain in Florida all weekend. Hopefully most of you know this song, you can sing along. Here we go. The raindrops keep falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to greet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness turns up to greet me. The raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes would soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Bum, 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 bum. It won't be long till happiness turns up to greet me. The raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes would soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Good night. Have a good weekend. And be safe.